Hi class, welcome to today's reading lesson. This week we are continuing to talk about weather and what is the weather and what happens in different kinds of weather is our focus this week. So on this picture, it says it's raining cats and dogs. But do we really see cats and dogs falling from the sky? So what do we think it's raining cats and dogs could mean? What I think when I see this picture is I see a ton of rain falling, and that girl has an umbrella. So I think that it's raining cats and dogs just means it's raining a lot. So this week's book that we are going to focus on is actually called Rain. So in this story, this is a fantasy, so it is made up. A fantasy story is made up. It is not true. In this story, we're going to hear about all kinds of weather words and different things that happen when weather changes. So today and tomorrow on Wonders, you are going to listen to the story Rain. Some words I want to make sure we know the meaning of before we read. The first word I want us to know is predict. Predict. So say it with me. Predict. To predict is to guess what will happen in the future. So if you've ever watched the weather with your parents on the TV, the weather person predicts what the weather will look like in the future. Another word that we need to know is temperature. I'm sure you've heard temperature a ton. That tells us how hot or cold something is. So we hear temperature with the weather when we say the outside temperature is around 70 degrees. So I want you to think about what kind of temperatures do you like outside? Do you like when it's warmer or colder? And tell your adult why. All right, let's go into our letter this week. This week's letter is K. There's an uppercase and a lowercase k. Our picture is that cute little koala. And at the beginning of koala, say it with me, koala, we hear this sound, k, k. Now there's another letter we've learned before that starts with, or that makes the k sound, and that is C. So we see that on our slide, on our picture. We also hear it obviously with K. K says k. So let's look at some pictures that have that sound at the beginning. Our first picture is a key. Say it, key. That sound at the beginning is k. Next to it, we have a man dressed in some really fancy clothes with a crown on. That would be a king. K, k, king. And our last picture, when it's windy outside, we get to fly kites. K, k, kite. Now let's do our letter word sound for K. Get your hand out in your fist and let's do the letter word sound. Ready? K, koala, k. Again, K, koala, k. One more time, K, koala, k. Now, if we do look at that picture for our letter this week, in the box, I have CK. CK is what we use at the end of words when we want that k sound. We don't just put a K, we don't just put a C. We have CK to make one sound that is k. So here are some pictures to help us remember. That first picture, we have the word lick. Now you see that there's the CK at the end, but there's only one sound. The next picture, we have pack. We hear that k again, but it is CK making that sound. And our last picture, rock. Rock. We hear that sound and it is CK at the end. So this week we might only have one letter, but we're using it two different ways. We have just the K for beginning sounds, and then we have CK final sound. So that is how we make that k sound at the end of words. All right, and we do have two sight words this week. Our first sight word has a digraph. A digraph is two letters that make one sound. SH only makes one sound, and that sound is shh. Like you're shushing someone. Shh, And then our E says the long E sound, E. So if we put sh, E together, our sight word is she. We use this to talk about a girl. Our other sight word, W-A-S. This is one of our tricky words because we can't sound it out. Our W still makes W, but our A kind of makes a U sound. W, and then our S, just like we did is last week, our S kind of makes a Z sound. Was is our other sight word. All right, guys, next I want you to go on to Wonders. Listen to this story, Rain. Really focus on those temperature, weather words inside of the story. Remember, it's a fantasy story, so it's made up. All right, go on to Wonders, finish your activities, and then submit your workbook for me. I'll see you guys later in math.